How to refer friends or Remitly. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can refer friends on Remitly, and here is how to go about it. Now, the first step is to sign in into your Remitly account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see Remitly by the top left corner. Then you can see some tabs which include send money, transfer history, refer friends, etc. Once you can see this, the next step is to go to the top part of the screen again, where you can see refer friends, and just click on that option. After clicking on the option, you can see the referrals page. On this page, you can see save money when you refer friends, share your special Remitly link using email, text message, and on social media. Make sure they sign up using the link you sent. And once you can see this, just go ahead and copy your invite link, then go ahead and paste it in any of your friends contacts list. You can now share it to your contact, and once they join and make any transaction or Remitly, you will definitely get a commission. Then other ways that you can share is by just clicking email. All right, once you click email, you'll be asked to select an app depending on the kind of device you're using. Click on it, follow the procedures, and then your link will be sent to your friends via email. The same thing applies to SMS as well as WhatsApp and then Facebook. Just follow any of this, and then your link will be sent. Once it's sent and your friends accept the login using your link, you've referred them, and then you definitely get a commission for it. So this is how you can refer friends or Remitly. Quick and easy, and sure you try it out.